Hello friends, myself Vipul Patel. Welcome to my channel Smart Learning. Today's topic is synchronous machine. Synchronous machine constitute of both synchronous motor as well synchronous generator. An AC system has some advantages over DC system. Therefore, the AC system is exclusively used for generation, transmission and distribution of electrical power. The machine which converts mechanical power into AC electrical power is called synchronous generator or alternator. However, if the same machine can be operated as a motor is known as synchronous motor. A synchronous machine is an AC machine whose satisfactory operation depends upon the maintenance of the following relationship. Ns, that is synchronous speed, equal to 120 into f frequency upon the p number of pole. When connected to an electrical power system, a synchronous machine always maintains the above relationship shown in the equation, that is previous equation. If the synchronous machine working as a motor fails to maintain the average speed Ns, the machine will not develop sufficient torque to maintain its rotation and it will stop. Then the motor is said to be pulled out of step. In case when the synchronous machine is operating as a generator, it has to run at fixed speed called synchronous speed to generate the power at particular frequency. As all the appliances or machines are designed to operate at this frequency. In some countries, the value of frequency is 50 Hz. Now, basic principles of synchronous machine. A synchronous machine is just an electromechanical transducer which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy or vice versa. The fundamental phenomena or law which make this conversion possible are known as law of electromagnetic induction and law of interaction. Law of electromagnetic induction. This law is also called as Faraday's first law of electromagnetic induction. This law relates to the production of EMF. EMF is induced in a conductor whenever it cuts across the magnetic field as shown in figure. Law of interaction. This law relates to the production of force or torque whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field by the interaction of magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor and the main field. Force is exerted on the conductor producing torque. The three-phase synchronous machine. The machine which is used in the household appliances such as the small machine used in air cooler, refrigeration, fans, air conditioner, etc. However, large AC machines are three-phase type synchronous machine because of the following reasons. For the same size of the frame, the three-phase machines have nearly 1.5 times the output than the single-phase machine. Three-phase power is transmitted and distributed more economical than single-phase power. Three-phase motors are self-starting. Three-phase motors have an absolute uniform continuous torque, whereas single-phase motors have pulsating torques. In a small synchronous machine, the fielding winding is placed on the stator and the armature winding is placed on the rotor, whereas for the large synchronous machine, the field winding is placed on the rotor and the armature winding is placed on the stator. Thank you for watching this video.